This is the 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT Turbo with all-wheel drive. It is a former executive demo here at Park Mazda, which means huge discounts off retail pricing. It has just under 9,000 kilometers on the odometer. You have your included accessories such as 3M protection on the hood, fenders and side mirrors, all-weather mats, and window tint. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, which are also power folding, power locks, and power windows, with storage along the bottom of the door. You also have your BOSE premium sound system. Down below, you have your power seat controls for the driver's seat with lumbar support. You also have your 2 memory seat settings there for the driver's seat. Your interior seating is a black leather. And we'll take a look inside. This Mazda is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 8,885 kilometers on the odometer. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. Beside that, you have your button for your power liftgate, your traction control button, and your lane departure warning button. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your Mazda radar cruise controls. On your display here, you have your AM/FM radio, as well as satellite radio, USB, auxiliary in, and standard Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You also have your navigation there, and your backup camera. Down here you have your dual zone climate controls, as well as your heated and vented driver and passenger seating. You also have your heated steering wheel button there, power outlet there, and this is an automatic transmission with your sport switch there, along with your HMI commander, electronic parking brake, and auto hold. In your center console here, you have additional storage with a removable tray where you'll find your power outlet, auxiliary in, 2 USB ports, and SD card slot. Up on top, you have your moonroof. As you can see, the interior is in great shape. You have your auto dimming rear view mirror there with your built-in garage door opener. And on the exterior, you have your Toyo tires on 19-inch alloy rims by Mazda. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your CX-5 and all-wheel drive badges there. Sky Technology badge there. And this Mazda does feature a power liftgate. So just hold down that button there. It'll open right up for you. Lots of cargo space here in the back. You have your all-weather mats there. Your rear seats do fold down for extra storage. Power outlet there on the right-hand side. And in the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back with storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. You have your adjustable vents there. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. In the middle, you have your fold-down console with your rear heated seat controls, storage here along with USB port to charge your devices. So that is the 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT Turbo with all-wheel drive. Former executive here at Park Mazda with huge discounts off retail. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.